Okay. Yeah, I'm liking it now. I'm going to get a darker value here for the little spots. There we go. This is a very children's book concept art style. You can actually see the scribbles. Okay, let's move on from there. Man. Let's do the nose. Maybe we'll make the nose a blue color. Complementary color of the orange. Start up here. Yes. I like that color. Maybe you have a turquoise color pencil you can use. Maybe you can kind of mix some blue and green. Remember we talked about in the class of not just using one color pencil, using multiple colors together. So I'm going to do that here, pull in some darker hues, kind of throw in some darker hues of blue. Maybe a little bit brighter though. There we go. And then I'm just going to go a little bit lighter, kind of give it a little bit of a highlight right there. You know, I'm going to move the highlight up a tad, like right there. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I'm digging our dog so far. Hopefully you are as well. We're going to take a really dark value of blue if you have a really, really dark blue, or maybe you might want to just use black. Color inside the dog's nostrils. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to go a little bit darker. Give it a little bit of shading there. Okay. I like what we're doing here. I like it. There's a few things I want to add I'm going to go back to the good old pencil. There's my pencil. There's a few things looking at this drawing that we can add to kind of beef it up a little bit. Maybe we can put some like color, so maybe like some lines there and there. The teeth, they're kind of simple. Let's go ahead and just maybe throw in some gum lines here. That makes it a little bit more fun. Yeah, there we go. Maybe we can add a little bit of hair right there. Let's do this. Hey, we're using an eraser, right? We can change some things if we want to. Let's make it kind of a vicious dog. Look at this. The dog's getting mean. It's ready to attack the coronavirus. There we go. Yeah, I'm digging that. Let's put maybe some lines right there. Okay. I'm liking it. I hope you guys are too. Maybe we can just put a couple little lines there. Just a little bit of shading there, a little bit more shading there. A little form of cross hatching. You guys are familiar with that. Make it a little bit thicker to thin here in line with variety. Okay, from here, let's go ahead and go back to continue with our coloring. So for the coloring here, I'm going to go to like a pink color. Let's find a pink. There we go. For pink here, we're going to kind of color in the gums. Okay, there's a start. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a lighter color here, maybe throw in some highlights. Maybe around here too. Don't think too much about it. If you think too much about it, you're not gonna like what you're doing. We need to be busy making art instead of always just thinking about it. Andy Warhol said a quote like that once. Something about that. He would be busy making art while everyone else is busy talking about it. Okay, I'm digging that. Let's go ahead and move. Let's get some yellow. Bust out your yellow. Where's your yellow? Get the right yellow here. And give this dog some nasty yellow teeth. Because dogs, they don't brush their teeth, do they? I don't think so. I went over the line there a little bit, but it's okay. We're going to pull down a little bit of a darker hue of yellow. Add a little bit of shading. There we go. I'm going to blend it in a little bit here. Okay. There's the dog's teeth. Maybe we can go back to the pencil again. And darken up these lines a little bit. We're having a fun time doing this. If you want to, maybe you can even get your parents to draw along with you. Parents, your little brother, little sister, shoot. They're probably out of school too, right? Put some little teeth marks here. Look at that. Look at that dog. Okay, let's go up here to work on the eyes a little bit. Maybe some gray. If you have a gray, let's use your gray. If not, use a light black. If you don't have a black, really push down on that pencil. Okay, there we go. And man, we'll make this a bad dog. There's good dogs and there's bad dogs. This will be a bad dog. You guys heard me talk before about my golden